Hey guys, what's going on? Paola of PaolaPonceNails.com, your source for Japanese gel nail education, and today we are going to be creating the nails recreation of the glitch effect, TikTok's logo glitch effect. Keep in mind you can create any design, whatever you decide on with this effect. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be using all leaf gel colors. So I'm going to be using 436 for my teal green, 005 for my white, which is an ivory white, 008, which is like a Cajun color, Cajun red color, red orange, very lovely. And I'm also going to be using the black, which is 001. Now, if you don't have 005 or an ivory white, you can totally use just white. I just like this because it tends to mute things out a little bit for me. Now, as per usual, Japanese gel colors tend to be really pigmented, so I'm only going to do one coat of this 005. Feel free to do 2 coats, but I'm going to go ahead and just do 1, okay? So cure properly, apply it properly, and then once you're done, go ahead and move on to your black, which is what we're going to use to create that kind of like, I guess I'm guessing it's the T, but it's like a musical note, TikTok. And we're going to use it to start tracing or outlining the TikTok logo. After that, we are going to start getting into the fun step and start creating the reflection. So we are going to then be using the teal green, and you are going to draw that on the left side. And again, it's going to reflect on the right side with red. Now we're going to start doing our red work, our red part of the reflection of the TikTok logo. And by all means, while you're working on this design, definitely reference the logo. I did have it pulled up on my phone so that I can take a look and peek every so often, because it's not that easy, guys. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is the actual very cool glitch technique, and all of what this requires is basically the color coming out of that respective colors. Now the touch, what really gives this glitch effect is adding a little bit of white to create the impression of breaks in the design and really cement the glitch effect. I would totally finish this design with a matte top coat as opposed to a glossy top coat, because the glossy top coat is actually going to deflect from this glitch effect. So it's going to be really shiny and it's just going to take away a lot from it. And for me, the best matte top coat is from Leafgel. They've totally perfected the matte top coat effect. And I love this one in particularly because this one is non-wipe, so once it's done, it's done. You don't have to wipe any tacky residue or anything like that. And if you're wondering if Paola Ponce Nails has a TikTok, it is Paola Ponce Nails. So find me on TikTok as Paola Ponce Nails. Thanks so much. I look forward to following you too also. And looking forward to seeing your glitch effects. Thanks. See you next week. Same time, same place.